Alright, y'all. This video, I'm not riding. I got severe bronchitis, so I don't have the energy to ride. But my nephew was really wanting to do a video with his Stacyc. Showing what we got set up. I got the media mod on his with the purple panda mic inside for him. Got it all wired up, so we're going to see if that picks his voice up a little bit better and let him rip his Stacyc for you. This is his Stacyc. Come on down here and show it to him. This is the 16 inch. This is the 16 inch. Yeah, I see it there now, 16E drive. And he likes it better than the PW because it's got more torque. He could do wheelies, he could do donuts. He likes it a lot better, don't you?
Yep.
So I'm gonna let him rip it for y'all, so here we go. Let it rip. Remember to talk to him.
Alright, everybody. We're going on a cool trail. And it's going to be nice. So, this is a new video. We've never done this. My Stacyc's been broke down for a while. But my dad, I had $200 to get that dumb motor. And then the old motor still works. And then we had to get a gearbox that was like 50 under, I think. I don't know. Might not be that, probably not. But it cost a lot of money, took a lot of my money away. But yeah, I did almost crash right there, but now we're going into this one. We've never went to this one. I always wondered, but this thing actually rips. So y'all just grab your popcorn, grab your soda, and enjoy the video. Now let's rip! Woo, that ripped. I've always ripped there. It's nice. It's clean. Yeah, we are gonna go a little bit crazy. See? Oh my God. I always put the brakes on, but never with my helmet. So, whoa! See? Turned it off. So don't. There we go. It always does that. I usually can go like from down there to up there to there, or right here to there, but I'm just gonna do this the normal way for y'all. Yeah, I will go this way. Sometimes I have to get off. I always do that, and then I just ride the rest. I did a little wheelie there. Now we're going in here backwards. This thing actually rips pretty good. Woo. Didn't have the brakes on. And there's that little lid there. It always annoys me. It always hits my helmet. Yeah, right here I always do that. Pop the little one. And it goes fast. Usually when it's fully charged, it was fully charged. I rode it a little bit. So it ain't really, I don't know if it's fully charged because I never charged it. But it's gonna be pretty cool today. So, like, it's gonna be nice and cool. Like, serious. So, just grab your popcorn and enjoy the video. So, let's do this. Woo, yeah, baby, a little wheelie. Woo! Every time my uncle that likes to do that. I do little pop wheelies. Whoosh! It's got a whoosh. Nice. It's really nice. It's been a long time since I rode this. It has more torque than I remembered. It must be like My dad must have upgraded it when I didn't see. And to tell me, let's go Ripping! Woo! Woo! Nice. That was a nice one. If you know, my dirt bike broke down. It needs a new throttle. Cause last time I rode, I crashed at the Redis. So I rode it a little bit, but it doesn't really like run good. It doesn't go fast. So yeah, I never really ride on my dirt bike after that. I rode at Marky's, but only once. So not so much. So usually I don't really ride it, but I tried to ride today. Usually there's kids over there. We'll do a little turn here and go around. I usually always do this, but they never come out until that one time I was over at the Cindy's and I saw them and I went over there. But actually friendly. There's the one kid that has a Nintendo Switch. He let me play it. I was playing Mario Kart, and that thing actually rocks. Serious, it actually rocks. Yeah, it actually rocks pretty good. Nintendo Switch, every time I wonder if they're there. So, yeah. Do that little old thing Justin used that taught me. I do this. I do that. Turn up. Do that. Do that. Ooh. My dad did mow the grass. So, yeah. It looks pretty nice. I really wanted to drive the mower. He's like, but I know what to do. And I know what to do. We're just gonna ride around because they ain't usually all green. It's kind of low, but it's still moving. And then we might go on like a little bicycle thing. I did crash right there. And one of the leaves were there. I never crashed there. There's like a little, like these little things I'm about to run up with that. I probably slipped over. Road that I didn't know and I crashed. So, yeah. But there's like leaves, there's no leaves separated. Yeah, it's pretty clean out here. You missed the one part right here. One part there, and he really got that spot. Really did. Right there, he missed a lot. Right here it is. It's pretty clean. Yeah, so every time I look down, it's gone in there. Yeah. Pretty good rain. So yeah. Maybe tomorrow he might be feeling better, maybe he can ride. But maybe not fast, but I can drive this smooth. And close. You know, do a little over here. So yeah, there's like a little mic that'll make it really loud. So that's what will be going on for a while until I raise up the voice because I'm kind of sick, but I'm still going. Justin must be so sick he can't even ride. Well, I'm not that sick. I barely know. I'm clean. Yeah, I'm not really sick no more. So I'm not sick no more. Okay. So yeah, I've been unsick, but I felt like I was gonna be sick forever. But I guess not. I I wish I would never be sick again, and I'm all better. Over there, I like it over there. I always drive up on the hills. Oh shoot, it died. Shoot, it always does that. Shoot. It always does that. Let's see if I can get it running. Wait, I think I know a little trick. Yeah. Shoot, it died on me again. My hands died. Whew. My hands are.
Your hands are hurting?
Yeah, already.
Well, did you get some good riding in?
Yeah.
Well, let's see how that angle looks. It's ready to go.
All right. Let's go, everybody.
Here's some wheelies and donuts.
All right. I'm not sure if I can do donuts. Oh, wheels, but I know wheels. Go through this. No ender. I didn't know ender. That was pretty awesome. I'm not doing a donut. I was going to do a donut, but I'm not sure how much weight this thing is. This might be it for today. Only 2 rides on Stacyc. Hey, I've done more. I've done more rides on Stacyc. Only 5 today because I was ride 4 times. I guess so because I might ride again after these. If it don't 5, so I'm going to be 6. I might do a donut over here. I might do a teeny one. I did a few videos. Let's do like a donut.
Try another mount. Go it.
I'm doing it! Oh yeah! I got it! Let's do it! I really want to do like the head thing. Oh yeah, no panda. That's cool. I like doing the one ambers. One ambers are cool. Go. I don't do that. God. Why is it doing that?
Oh, it's at medium. Look, it ain't full power.
What?